I am gonna call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here,
Holy
Dave.
cow, that was amazing.
Good to see you, buddy.
So another thing that I noticed that you've done really well here is
I like hearing this. Keep talking.
it's planning, right?
Yep.
You planned out where your penetrations need to go for your electrical or your plumbing or even the gas line behind us, right? We need to make sure that we've got those in the right spot, but it's so much easier to cut that foam out and put a sleeve through and pour concrete around that versus having to core drill that after, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, you did a really good job doing
Well,
that.
thank you. And again, like you said, you can core drill it. It is not something that you want to do. Let me tell you, it's not something you want to do, but it just comes down to proper planning. And I think spending that little bit of extra time on those plans, on making sure that any penetrations that you're going to have through this exterior wall, you pre-plan, because like you said, when we were stacking the block, to cut the foam and slide that, that sleeve in there was a really, really easy thing to do. If you have any questions about the efficiency of Nudura Forms, go visit nudura.com or contact a local rep in your area.